What is good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be working on the subframe that we got here. So this is the subframe. It is 100% rusty. We're going to be trying to turn it from this to this. Right now I'm going to hit the torch on the subframe to get all of these bushings out. Surprisingly, these bushings aren't even like too bad, honestly. But you know, we can't rock stock bushings with the car that I have, so we're gonna use a torch, heat them out, and then sand them down, sand the subframe down with this brush right here, and then we're gonna hit it with some self-etching primer. Oh god, I didn't even get the self-etching primer. Fuck. So we're gonna hit it with this primer, whatever, and then we're gonna hit it with some textured Rust-Oleum. So let's get to work. So far we have 4 of the subframe bushings out. We just need to get the diff bushing out now, and then I can start sanding this down. So basically, as you guys see in the time lapse, I just hit the heat on here. Literally, you hit the heat on here, and then you'll start seeing like the rubber start melting down. Once you see the rubber melting out of the bushings from like right here, that's when you know that it is ready to be hammered out. Like, it's literally just deform in one spot to make it easy to just hammer out. Sometimes too, they'll fall out on their own. Like, I guess like if you just hold it there for a long time, it'll do it, but I don't feel like holding it there for them long. I'm just trying to get through it. So the diff one is last. The diff one is the last one left. So what you saying, bro? You about to wash my car too? So I just got out the diff bushing. As you guys can see, it's literally right here. And there's a metal erase inside of it. This is probably steaming hot. But basically, I just tapped it in, pried it forward, and then tapped it out. So now I'm about to get the whiz wheel and start sanding down all the rust. Just finished sanding down the subframe. It's not the best, but it'll do. About to hit it with some primer right now, and then start spray painting it. See, it was good. What's up? So I just finished painting the subframe. It's painted it black. It's not too bad. It actually looks way better than what it used to look like. So right now I'm about to jack the car up, put it in the air, take all the wheels off, drop the subframe from this car, take the bushings out of this car, put it into this subframe, put the diff in the subframe, and then toss everything back up into the car. And then we should be good. We should be good from there. Oh my God. Lower it. Keep going.
Oh, no bueno.
Just pull the jack aside.
Nah, it was cool. It was mom and dog.
Subframe is finally out the car. Just finished swapping everything over to the new subframe. The old one's over there. Never really said why I'm swapping it, but it's mad dirty from axle grease. And then one of the threads got stripped. I think it was this one right here. Yeah, the straps, all the threads in there are cooked, so I didn't want to reuse it. It's for new subframe. And I'm about to toss it in right now. No homo, no diddy. So right now we are putting the subframe back on to the car, and then we're gonna go for a test drive. We're gonna test it without the exhaust, so you guys will see what it sounds like without the exhaust. Turbo?
Yeah.
It's more. You hear it, but it's like, it's fake. It's too loud for you to hear it. You hear it like after.
Yeah.
Look at this, bro. Where is this coming from? So this is broke from this nonsense right here because it's plastic. So we are